So here is the assignment. I have opened localhost 4200 and the page looks something like this. And that's because of the HTML here. So it says there's a H1 and there's a HR, nothing else. I have created two pipes here, lpad.pipe.ts and rpad.pipe.ts. So we're going to use that in our HTML here. I'm going to type a paragraph and then I'll type a name like Vinod, pipe lpad. And as soon as I save this, you'll see that there is a left side padded string here, and by default it has added 5 asterisks. Here is another example. In the app.component.ts, I have defined a variable called name, which has been assigned to the text Vinod. So I can come down here and I can use the same thing. I can say name pipe lpad, and then I can specify 25. That means the total width of the output string is going to be 25, out of which whatever the name occupies, that's going to be on the right side, but the left side of which will be padded using a character of my choice. For example, if I put a dollar here, so that's the second parameter for this lpad. So which means after padding dollars, total width would be 25 characters, out of which name, which is currently Vinod, occupies 5 characters on the right side. The left side will be padded with the dollar symbol for the remaining number of characters. So I'll save this. You should see $20 symbols followed by the word Vinod. Likewise, you can also use rpad. So I'm going to create another example. So I'll say name rpad 25 and probably a hash and close the brackets, save it, and I should see the padding happens on the right side this time. We can also combine both lpad and rpad together. So here is another example. Let's say I give the name padded on the left side for 10 characters with asterisks, and if you don't mention anything, it's going to be asterisks by default, followed by rpad colon 15. Save it, and I should see the total width would be 15 and the name Vinod exactly lies in between. So this is the assignment. I think you would be requiring around 30 minutes for this. All the best.